there's a lot of omiyage that we have still unboxed, and they gave it I think week ago or month ago. Some are week ago and some are month ago, and we didn't give time to open it. And I think there's a purpose why we didn't open yet, and I can use it in my unboxing video, and I will open it together with you guys later, so watch out. So these are the omiyage that our friend and three beautiful nieces, Joy, Micah, and Ness, gave us to me and to my sister. So this one, they went to a different places. So this one, as you can see, there's a picture of Mount Fuji, and it gave by Ness, Shu, and Shinkabel, their omiyage to us when they went to Hakone. And this one, it's beautifully wrapped also in the box. Came from my three nieces, and they went to Mount Takao, did the hiking together with Mary Rose, Shinkabel, and my sister Karen. And last but not the least, this tree came from Yuzawa, Niigata, and my friend gave it to us when they went there for snow viewing. And as you can see in the box, there's pictures of snowmen, and I guess why they design in their boxes, because there's so many snow there and thick, and probably people love to build the snow. Of course, when you will see a thick snow, the first thing that you will do is, or you will think is, to build a snowman, which is what I'm thinking too. Whenever there's a snow here in Tokyo, we want to build a snowman like Elsa and Anna. Okay, guys, see you later, and I will unbox this and I will show you. And